Hello guys, welcome back. In this video tutorial we are going to add one more feature, that is sorting options. Let's see the demo. Here you can see at the top we have options menu. I have already implemented this feature, that is search option, and in this video we are going to see sort by. When we will click on it, it will open new options which contains three items, that is names, dates and size. And when we will click on any one of the item, according to that item the songs file will be reset its position. When we will click on size, it will be sorted in order of size, and also this will be applied to the album fragment. When we will click on date, it will be sorted according to the date. So we have to implement this. First of all, we have to start Android Studio, and here we will modify menu options for search. We have to add one more item. This is for sort by option, and here we will give a title of sort by, and also we will give an ID for it, sort options underscore, and then show as action it will be never, and close this. And inside this item we will have to create another menu for sub items, and here we will add one more item, three more items, that is for name, date and size. Name, title, ID, let's say sort by name, and so as action it will be neighbor, and close this. Now we have to copy this and paste it two times. One is for name, date, and another one will be for size. Also change this name to date and this to size. So we have added options menu for sort by and its sub item, and we have already inflated this menu. So let's run the app and see if the sort by option is showing or not. As you can see, now the app is installed and it is launching. You can see when we will click on these options, you can see sort by, and when we will click on this, you can see there is three items. And now we will have to add click event using on options item selected. And here first of all we have to create private string my sort preference. You can write any string value here, let's say sort order. We are using shared preference for checking which of the item is selected. Here we have to create shared preference dot editor object, and it will be initialized using get shared preferences. And here we have to pass two arguments. One is argument name, my sort preference that we have created above, and another will be mode. We will pass mode private and dot edit, and now semicolon. And now here we will check which of the item options is selected, that is clicked. So we will use switch case r.id dot by name. If it is by name, then we will put string, and key will be, let's say, sorting, and value, let's say sort by name, and semicolon, editor dot apply, and now break. Actually before break we have to recreate this activity using this dot recreate, and now we will add break line. We have to copy this code and paste it 2 times for date and size, and also we will change the value for this. Sort by date, sorting will be same, but sort by date and sort by size. And now we first close this, and we have to go to the get all audio method, and here we have to create first shared preferences equals get share preferences. This method is not here because the get all audio method is static, so we have to delete this static first, and now we will get shared preferences, and here we have to pass again my sort preference and also mode, and now semicolon. Now we will create string variable for sort order. This will be equal to preferences dot get string, and here we will pass the key that we have here passed sorting as a key. We have to copy this and we will paste it here, and also we have to pass a default value for this. Let's say default value sort by name. You can choose any one of the values as a default value. Also we have to create string variable for order, sort order. Let's assign it as value null, and now after this URI we have to add switch case statement, and here we will pass sort order for checking which of the item is selected at this moment. We have passed this variable here. Now we will add case, and here it will be first as sort by name, let's say colon, and order equals MediaStore dot media columns dot display name, and plus it will be in ascending order. And now we have to add a break line and copy this, paste it for 2 times for sort by date and sort by size, and also we have to change. You can see this will be in descending order, and this is already in ascending order, and we have to change this display name to date added and this to size. This order variable will be used as where clause. Now we have to add this order here in cursor. You can see order, add order here. Now everything is done for sort order. Let's run the app and see. As you can see, Gradle build is running now. We have to wait for it until it installs. Now the app is installed and it is launching now. When we will click on this options menu at the top, you can see 3 items, and let's click on date. You can see it is sorted according to the date, and size, it is sorted according to the size. As you can see in the album fragment, every time this activity is recreated, the album list is duplicated. Some of you also asked this solution. So we have to go to the get all audio method, and here we have to clear albums released first. Each time this get all audio method will be executed, albums will be cleared and the new items will be added into it, and hence we will remove the duplicated items. You can see when we will click on again this sort by options, this will be recreated, but there is no any duplicate items here. That's it for the tutorial. Thank you for watching.